What a horrible looking gear knob. Now this is a manual car with a worn out gear knob. I decided to fit another one from an automatic car. It's basically because I couldn't find one for a manual. I want to show you how to replace that. It's not as simple as you think really, but to fit an automatic gear knob on a manual car is okay because you know where the gears are. It's like waking up in the morning looking for the toilet every day. Of course you don't, because you know where the toilet is. Once you know where the gear is, you don't have to go looking for it every time you change gear. Now I happen to have a few gear knobs, actually quite a few. I have red, really nice leather, grey leather, a bit worn out as well. This one is nice, in good condition, grey with black, and green, not really. I think this is okay, I'll use this. Now, this is beige actually. I want a grey one, not a beige. Okay, we'll settle for this. Now, the gear knob, this part consists of 3 parts. This part here, gear knob itself, and the plastic part. Now the difference between this one and the one in the car is this little middle part. The one in the car is slightly thinner to compensate for the thickness of the gaiter. So I'm going to use this and this, but I will take the old one I'll take the old one like this to use it. Right. All you need to do is just pry this out. As simple as that. Okay. Pull and twist. There you go. Right, I think it's glued to the leather, so what I need to do is pry it from here. Yeah, that's it. See? This part is still there. Still glued there. And to fit the new one, not this. Yeah, okay, looks all right now. Beautiful, isn't it? I don't need the numbers, I know where the gears are. 1, 2, reverse.